Hello everyone, welcome to Mudgarclub. This is the fourth video of our Shena pushup board or Takte Shena series. In the last video, we learned the 2-count split pushup. In this video, we will learn the next movement with the Shena pushup board, that 4-count split pushup, or we call it Shena Sharnavaji as well. Shena Sharnavaji, or the 4-count split pushup on the Shena. In this, there are two parts of it. One is the push-up part and the second is the stretching part. We can divide it in two parts. The first part is the push-up part, which is absolutely similar as 2-count split push-up, which we learned in the last video. So the starting position, we open up our legs, widen up our legs, and then we create a distance between the Shena and ourselves so that we can go down and come up without touching the ground. So from here we go down, touch the Shena and come to the starting position. From here, as we know, the 2-count split push-up is 1 going down, coming up and going to downward dog. And we can look in between our legs or towards our navel. So this is our 2-count split push-up, which we learned in the last video. In this, we are going to divide it, the 4-count Shena push-up, in the two parts. First is the push-up part, going down, coming back, and the next is stretching part, where we go back to the transition part, stretch our body again, go back to transition part and stretch our hands again. So let's talk about the first part first. So the first part is the push-up part, which is the 2-count split push-up. So we first gonna do the 2-count split push-up, and then we will move forward towards the next part, which is stretching part. So let's start from the beginning again. So from here we go here. So this is the starting position. We can say that from here, or we can call it the transition position, in which position I am right now. So from here we go down, and as we know, when we go down, we stretch our chin forward and look forward, and our chest should touch to the ground, to the Shena. Then come up and go back to downward dog position. Here in the downward dog position, the rule is we are stretching our hands, our thighs are getting stretched, hamstring, and our knee and elbow is absolutely straight. So from here, if I loosen up my hands a bit and come forward slightly to the transition position between the push-up, going down and coming back. So this is the I'm releasing and relaxing my hands, and my elbow is not straight absolutely. So from here we go back again, stretch, then come forward again, release our hand, and then again. So it's like making a circular rotation of our shoulder. So it's like stretch, relax, stretch, relax. So this is the third and fourth count of the 4-count Shena, split Shena push-up, in which we are just relaxing our muscles of our shoulder and hand and then stretching them again 2 times, third and fourth count. So this will be like that. We go down, 1, coming up, go back to downward dog position, 2. Then we are releasing our muscles of the hands and shoulder. This is again going stretch, third. Then again we are coming, releasing and stretching again, 4. So this is the stretching part, third and fourth, in which we are just releasing our muscles, coming back to the transition position and then stretching back again. So it's this, third, fourth, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, stretching, third, stretching, 4. So in this way we do the 4 count split Shena push-up, or we can call it Shena Sharnavaji as well in the traditional language of Jorkhane practice. So this is how we divide the 4 count split Shena push-up in 2 parts. First part is the push-up part, second part is the stretching part. In the first 2 counts we are doing the split push-up as we did in the last video, 2 count Shena split push-up, and in the next part we are just stretching our shoulders, we are releasing our hands and then stretching again. So it's like a circular rotation of our shoulder, relaxing, stretching. Third count and fourth count is about relaxing our muscles and then again stretching them. So this is the stretching part. Let me show you from the side angle that how it would look if we do it in the right transition. Okay. So we start from the starting position, split our legs, we go down, touch the Shena. This is our starting position. Then we go down, 1, touch the Shena with our chest, come up, downward dog position, 2, then relaxing our hands, then stretching again, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we are doing the second part, the stretching part, at that time we can bend our elbows slightly when we are doing the relaxing, when we are relaxing our hands, slightly coming to the forward, bending our elbow and then stretch again. So it's like a circular rotation of our shoulder this way. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we do the 4 count Shena split push-up or the Shena Sharnavaji. Now we will practice it, 2 rounds of it, 10-10 push-ups we will do, 10-10 4 count split push-up we will do in each round. So let's do first from the front angle and then we will do it from the side angle. Take the starting position, split our legs, go down and touch the Shena. From here we will start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here it is.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
So
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,
Just
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
that's just
3,
it's
4. 1, 2, 3,
so that's
4. 1, 2,
best sister.
3, 4. Now come to the resting position. Take a rest. You can take a rest of 2 to 3 minutes here, and then again do the next round. So let's do the second round from the side angle. 10 times we will do again. Starting position, widen your legs, split your legs, go down and touch the Shena. Again. 1,
Good.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to resting position. So this is the 4 count Shena split push up, or we call it Shena Sharnavaji as well. So I will recommend you to practice the 2 count Shena split push up first for few weeks, get the smoothness in that movement, and then shift to the 4 count Shena split push up or the Shena Sharnavaji. So for this video, this much is enough. In the next video, we will learn the new way of using the Shena push up board or Takhte Shena. Thank you.